Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. We just arrived here in Hong Kong and we are here at our hotel, and we're just going to give you a tour of the room and give you a little bit of information about it. We just got to our hotel here. It's called the Regal Airport Hotel at the Hong Kong airport. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. We're going to start off, here's the door to the room, and right behind it there is the closet. There really is no other light. That's a speaker, this is ventilation, no other light. So here's a nice place to hang your clothing. Here is a safe, aka a microwave for Louie. And then there's some drawers right here. Ironing board, iron. Pretty standard there. Then right across is the bathroom. So it looks very nice. You've got your sink here, a very nice mirror. They've got a blow dryer if you need a blow dryer. And by the way, in Hong Kong, they use British plugs. So if you need a converter, if you're not from Great Britain, you're going to need a converter. Then everything is laid out very nicely here. Let's flip around here. And here's the shower. There's the towels up there. Or you can have a bath if you want. And they've got the product right here. So you can have, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I wanted to show you that there's also a full-length mirror here on the door, so you can make sure you look okay before you go out. As you come into the room here, which is beautiful, we're on the 7th floor. I'm going to try to show you the view out the window here in a minute, but it's very nice. This is the king-size bed configuration. Right here is a little bar area that they've got. We can't figure out how to get the light on there. But here's the refrigerator. Opened it here so you could see, so that's handy. And then you've got a kettle and an ice bucket. Here directly across from the bed is the TV. Here's a nice desk with a mirror, so you've got plenty of space to get ready in the morning. And then art on the wall. Nice sitting area over here. And I thought I would show you the little touches over here. There's slippers for both of us, pad and a pen. Here's what the outlets look like. There's a clock, the phone of course. And then over on the other side, there are no outlets. Okay, so here on this side are the 2 outlets, but then on the other side you don't. So if you're someone that has a CPAP, you're gonna have to sleep on this side of bed or else put the cord across. So let's take a look at what is out the window here. Very excited. We're at the airport, so this is some shots of the airport. There's a bus going around right now. Local time, it's 10 minutes to midnight. So we're really happy to be here, very excited. I have a lot to tell you already. So much to tell you already. So keep an eye and come along with us. We'll see you soon. So as I mentioned at the beginning, this is the Regal Airport Hotel at the Hong Kong airport. It is really easy to get here. At the minute you come out from collecting your luggage and going through customs, you come right on out where the waiting, the big meeting hall is, and immediately they start having signs, and it's not very far to walk. So you walk right over, and once you get into the hotel, which it's a beautiful hotel, so handy, there immediately start to be signs to go to reception. You get in the line, get your key and everything, and then come right up. The other thing I wanted to let you know is that as you're walking from the airport area over to where this hotel is where the Uber picks up and drops off. So in the morning, we'll just have a really short walk to go back and get our Uber. So this is a really handy hotel, really great option, especially if you get here late at night. Our plane landed at about 10:30. You have to go through passport control. I've got stuff to tell you about that, but this is really convenient if you're gonna get here late. So thanks for joining us. Let me know what questions you have, and I'll be talking to y'all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. I love you.